Hey everyone, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 3-in-1 foldable wireless charger. So I'm going to show you guys how this works and what it all does, and we'll check it out together here. You can see this is the box for it. Got some specifications on the back if you need to pause it and zoom in, but we all know what a charger is. It charges stuff, so this is going to charge 3 devices at once. So let's see what we got here. Everything out of the box. We have our little manual. And it looks like it should work fine with our iPhone with the magnetic phone case, or just without a case. So let's see what we got here. So this is the device here. Let's see what this is going to look like here. It's nice and small, I guess, because it's foldable. Oh, look at that. It's a really nice looking case. Here, I'm going to show you guys up close. See, look at that case. It's kind of like a fabric-y case. And you open it all up, and then you have your 3 charging things. So you can charge your Airpods, can charge your watch, and can charge your phone. And then it comes with a charging cable, which looks like it's going to be USB to USB-C, and it even comes with the charging block here. So let's give this thing a go. I've got a outlet over here, not too far away. Let's aim it down a little bit, and let's plug this in. So it looks like it's going to plug into the middle of the watch part. My guess is that's going to be the back. And look at that. Things are all lighting up, if you can see that. So let's put on my watch and see what happens. And it charges. I can't put the phone, and I don't know where my AirPods are right now, so I don't see any AirPods around here to try. One sec, let me see. I don't know if these are the newest ones or not. Probably not. No, these are old AirPods, so they're not going to charge. But in theory, it should work pretty good. And it seems like we're charging my my watch perfectly fine here. So it seems like a nice little device to do that. It even has a little picture. If we look at it on here, I'll zoom it in. Oh, you can take off the little plastic on the watch part. There we go. But you can see it's got a little picture over here of the watch, so you know that goes there. Got a little picture of the headphones, and a picture of, I don't know, a magnet, I guess. I guess that's for the MagSafe charging kind of concept is what they want that for. But how cool is that? And then just folds right itself back up again, and we're ready to go on its next trip. How cool is that? So you just really, all you have to take is this, instead of a bunch of different wires and stuff, just take this and you're good to go. So how cool is that? So very cool. It's the 3-in-1 wireless, foldable wireless charger. It doesn't matter which phone you've got, because as long as you have the, you know, if yours is USB-C or Lightning, it really wouldn't matter because we're charging wirelessly through the MagSafe. So super cool. Thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.